Thursday, August 4th, 2016, and at the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, on top of Star Times, channel 195, on top of My TV, and those when they watch us on top of internet, anywhere inside the world, www.wazobiatv.tv/live. We don't come again with that action politics discussion show, As E Dey Hot, where we go to hit you with all the action to do where they come on smoke inside Obodo, Nigeria. My name na Ezugwu Chukwudi, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabu all I stay concerned the politics matter. As E Dey Hot.
Yes, and no alternative to a united Nigeria, and that's how I'll take start. Welcome to the that is our Bunga program, As E Dey Hot. That political program where they sunshine, they informate now different political activities that they happen for Obodo Nigeria. Today we're not go different because in the spirit of say yes, we they pray for a united Nigeria. In the spirit of say yes, make we come together, make we know as we go take do it, advance the country forward. We go also open our phone line so that when that time reach for us to contribute, now do it. Now if you contribute now 1/4 to the whole discussion, we go present that. My name is change. My name is Nkubi. This is now As E Dey Hot.
We don't go waste time, we go straight into the discussion when we carry come. Everybody knows say we dey promise you now on top of As E Dey Hot say as the issues they affect us inside Obodo Nigeria, now we're going to discuss the matter. That's now why topic when we say some people they run from or they look and say you know they important. We go carry them, put them for the front burner, continue to discuss the thing, they go. And this one we don't carry come get to do with the visit of our former presido, Foodluck Jonathan, when he go Aso Villa, go see our present president, President Muhammadu Buhari, and he been go there. And go discuss some very, very important things. They talk say the meeting lasts for around 23 minutes based on say as he take go all the time when he spend and when he come out. But as he come out, he can speak to news story people, can answer some important questions. He talk say he can brief Oga Presido based on say okay, now he go lead the African Union election observing group go inside Zambia as they won't do their election. But he can talk one important one we get to do with the Naija Delta region of Obodo, Nigeria. When they ask him, he talk say no be just him alone. The leaders and the people when we say there be senior men for inside that particular region for inside Obodo, Nigeria when be of Ijo extraction. So many of them they believe say this country the only way we go forward for this country now make all of us go forward together as one people. We can arrange this our topic today. Can call them Naija na one. Good luck, Jonathan. But we can ask questions say how we fit achieve this particular one with the issue of insecurity when they happen inside Obodo, Nigeria, political gymnastics, some assault and plenty things when they see inside our political arrangement. What do the things when we say we go put in place to use and ensure say this country go be one? We don't tire to the complain. Now to they move forward. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion. As E Dey, are you when they ask go complete them? Look me in the eye and complete it. Hot. We come back. Welcome back to As E Dey Hot on top of the senior brother for the television stations when inside the world, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, and Star Times, channel 195. Ezugwu Chukwudi and Nkubi inside studio. And what do they discuss? Now, Naija na one. We paraphrase and based on say, the kind of English when we say our former president use drop him, the thing go long. Well, we can't talk and say, okay, everything when he talk and say, Naija na one. But the question when they ask me say, enough of the complaints. What do we do to use ensure say this country now one? All the problems we face today, how we go fit address them so that we go talk say okay, collectively as Nigerians, now we find solution to our problem and our country they move forward.
Yes, and the visit now one very important one because if you look within on the play out for the Niger Delta region and then following the that is the recent destructions where they play out there, where they also affect the nation at large. At least the visit of the former president, that is Oga Jona, will also come from that region. I believe that's something we say he go do it, he go yield the kind of results we want because I will believe that way in the power. At least the issue of Niger Delta was they calm and maybe he won't the Oga President, the current Oga President won't tap from that knowledge. Say come, Jona, come. How you take do this the way these people no show stubborn head that time? I just want tap from your brain, make I know. So that I will feel know as I'll take implement them for my own system. So that this bosa, this damage what they cost, they don't go fit do anything. They don't fit cost them again. Now what to make they look out for? And I believe say with this, the president will fit do anything. They will fit know they will fit chart a proper course on top of Niger Delta matter. So that at least no go they hear say this something don't happen here, this one don't happen here, that one don't happen. And this just going by what Oga Jona also talk, just as Chukwudi talk. Now collective will, because if you also look the unity of Nigeria, at least no be something we say person because they decide what our unity will be. Our unity has come to stay. No doubt, it has come to stay. And that is why you also get people from the same region where so no matter anything, nothing go fit do it, go fit break us as a nation. And on that part, all of us stand on. And I believe say after the call, may I just they give us the way that is how if we take advance on top of this matter. So at least if na advice, if na suggestion on how to ensure say Nigeria move forward on top of this issue they talk about, we could know as we go take address them.
Very, very true. And it go good make we point them out. Say Nigeria they blessed in the sense say some of the people when we say they don't lead this country before, they still they alive till today. If we do plus or minus, we get over 7 of our leaders when we say God don't bless them, give them the opportunity to rule this country, whether head of state or as democratically elected. When we say they still they alive today, and you when we say you don't rule over Nigeria. When you don't get the opportunity to say, okay, well, let me be the papa of this country based on president when they make decisions for everybody inside the Obodo Nigeria, it go good make everybody put some kind of effort to you see, say, okay, well, the challenges or the problems we face for inside this our country, we fit resolve these problems them. The greatest threat we face for Nigeria today get to do with the issue of militancy for the Niger Delta. We know say to a considerable extent, our soldier people them, they don't tie the Boko Haram Jaguda people, even though some of them still they do some kind of strong head, but we know say we are on top of that particular situation. But we get people when we say they don't come and contact say they won't ground our economy, and we know say our economy now, the things when they produce, what will they sell, and the money when they get. And if they ground our and I be say the matter don't read for us, based on say when they talk say this kind of time when they things don't they very, very difficult. We go recall say the Adakaboro Avengers, they may talk say they go declare Republic of Niger Delta. But some people when they come and contact say, okay, well, former presido call them, tell them say this particular thing that they do, go move this country forward and can't shelve that particular plan. And government now, the stance when government don't get now, it got to do with this militancy. If like say the thing don't come soft pedal, because we don't hear say they don't give directly to the Central Bank of Nigeria, say that they pay some of these ones when we say they don't verify, say okay, oh, these people they don't submit arms before, and then they will make them negotiate or discuss with government, say that they pay them some kind of money. All these things now moves when we say the government they try put in place to use ensure say we move this our country forward. But it go good make we understand say we dey face very difficult situation, and if indeed we want move this our country forward, now for all of us to come together with one interest, and that interest now say our country Nigeria now we go put first. Now we say we dey come to the discussion and they come as Igbo man, you they come as Yoruba man, this one they come as Hausa man, this one they come as Fulani man, or this one they come as somebody from Ijo, Urobo. That way our interests go dey clash. If all of us come together say 180 million Nigerians, the potential when this country get, the blessing when we say God Almighty don't give us, if we join everything together, you go feel live for Lagos, you go feel live for Kano, you go feel live for Nasarawa, and you go dey comfortable say yes, so now my country I dey, the government care about me, my country na country when we say anything when I do, you go dey move forward. Now basically what we suppose to focus on, now why we can't talk say okay, oh, if you call in, you go tell us say okay, this thing when former president don't talk, when come from the south of Nigeria, we not talk say Nigeria na one. How we go take free achieve as government, as people when come from different parts of this country, as people when care about our country. Because tomorrow if our children then come, then go judge us based on what we don't do. Some children go sit down look say, Papa, when your mates them been they hustle or them been they work hard to make money, what you they do? Now you can't they live wretched life. See Junior Papa they drive motor, he build fine house. What you they do? We don't say all fingers are not equal, but it not be your own finger, it not be more say your finger go be the small finger. Your finger self will be long finger. There's no crime if your own finger be the long finger. If other people's finger be long finger, why your own be the small finger? We know some fingers are not equal, but at least make your own finger grow. And the kind of blessing when God don't give us for inside this country, our finger not supposed to be small finger. We know they complain of flood. We know they complain of earthquake. We know they complain of tsunami. Yet people see they hungry for inside this our country. Why we be small finger? Nkubi, now you can answer that question. Why we be small finger? Why are we the small finger?
Well, the reason why we be small finger, make I bring her from this angle. The unity of Nigeria is the important part, and I believe say the visits of Oga and the past president to Oga Buhari, now such you go ensure say at least that small finger you go turn to big finger, because at least if we claim say we be the largest country that is for Africa, that is when it comes to population, we also be the largest the most populous black nation, then we need to do it in they lay down examples, they show that black nation say okay, now who they through now who they lead, and the rest they do it in, they follow. And then talking about this other issue we talk that has to do with the unity of Nigeria, we could also take them back to when Oga Jona, when he conduct election. He said one to say the life of a Nigeria. Say you know what make him do it. Make him say because of saying one win in the desperate to win an election. No Nigerian will do it and go sacrifice their life on top of say in one day desperate to win an election. I tell you say yes, sincerely from the bottom of his heart, from the depth of his heart. He want to make this country do it, make them stay doing what, make them move forward. And that is why at least all these things, when they see all these things, they play out. And I believe, say, in the same vein, where you don't also do this, Nigerians go also do it. Nigerians go also look themselves, say, okay, if we get people where we say somehow, true, then get passion, going by the sacrifices they don't make, going by what they don't do in the past, make we say show that same commitment. And then show say at least say Baba Musiu, Mama Nusiru, and all that. Say those issues we will get, make we know as we take the thing, resolve and sort. At least we will know as we will take collectively, they move forward. We go open our phone lines now so that at least when I call, make we also get our own view on top of this matter.
We see this. I dey happy as our former presido, carry waka go meet our present presido. We know say a lot of things dey inside news. People they complain. We don't hear different talk. But this one still shows say okay, well, at least in the interest of our country and in the interest of moving our country forward, our leaders them they go show maturity and say they want to move this country forward. Not be just to just play lip service to them say we they try see what we want to do. We know say some people they know they happy with the way we say this country don't go. And some people go tell you say whether PDP, whether APC, whether COA, whether National so long as say people don't enter inside government, say it be like say their mindsets they change. And many of them they're going to think of their pockets alone. This is not the time for our leaders them. Okay, you when they come and they tell us say Nigeria now one. And maybe you'll be big man for government now, or big man for government before, or maybe from the way where you don't live your life, it be like say the country favor you. You when they tell us say Nigeria won, you suppose they show certain examples. If Nigeria won for you, you they chop 3 times a day. Nigeria won for you, you don't serve as former president before, or governor, or minister, or senator, and you they see your own pension. If Nigeria won for you, your children they study abroad. If Nigeria won for you, you get headache, you travel out. If Nigeria won for you, you know they don't even take life for your house because you get standby generator. What about the Nigerians? What about the plenty Nigerians when we say they know where their next food they come from? Nigeria won for them. What about the people when we say they don't work for civil service, don't retire, they know they see pension collect? Nigeria won for them. What about people when we say headsmen, they come by for their community? Nigeria won for them. What about internally displaced people? When we say that they're hungry, Nigeria won for them. What about those when they spend all their life savings on generator so that picking go sleep for night? Nigeria won for them. So all these things make it not just be saying an ordinary talk with a talk.
Yes.
Those when they lead us, they must show action so that Nigerians go look say, okay, oh, indeed Nigeria won for me. You know, go come at the time and say Nigeria won. You go to do like Naija one, and you wear ring for hand.
Bling, bling.
You wear glass designer. You wear chain for them. You say Naija one.
Those
and hungry they catch you. They say Naija one.
Those glasses where they wear. I mean, those of the bling leaders we will get. I mean, their own guys. If we need to also check and that glass. But say they see the sun where they hit others, do they hit them because but say the kind of shit that kind of glass go they provide for them, and then they feel them at all. You don't talk and finish because in the unity of Nigeria, our leaders need to do it. They're going to sit back. No, so the reason why these things they vex us, we say these people don't know what they are appropriate for the country. If they go fit give their own families the best of all these things they don't mention.
Thank you.
So what stops them from also passing it down to
replicating
the
that
nation?
One? Make Nigerians enjoy it.
Exactly. Because they don't say this thing go good though. But they'll come deliberately say, okay, now I gather the resources where they supposed channel for the people. Now I take them, I just keep them to myself. They take care of my family. You know they work like that now.
Exactly.
Because the point is this, I would say we'll be one of the, that is, out of maybe the 10 countries where they this world, we will be one of the best where we say God really bless.
10 countries.
I say if they count all the countries ready for this world, we go for the 10th. That is if we say they look the first 10 countries where we say God say them get resources, we suppose they among.
We be number one. We be number one.
We could not talk. We be number one.
The
resources we will get
when
here.
we get for this country, not be
the resources we will get here.
If they count them, not be 100.
Not be somebody like Bill Clinton talk. Say, look, say if income, for this country, say the resources we will get, you go take and feed the entire world. I mean, the continent.
Make I give
to tell you, say this what you will get.
Make I give one example. Let us say for Germany, sometime around last year, say that they pay people for they pay people for light when they no see use.
Where they no use.
They don't use light reach the level where we say light can't they waste.
They
It's just be like say,
pay people.
they say, Oga abeg, just try use this light.
One.
Use it. We have it. Use, please.
Can't they pay you on top?
They beg people to use light. We, for our country, sometimes we even they beg NEPA to take light at certain time so that we go fit take the light sleep for night. You get people when we say for some area when they live, they will talk, say, God, make NEPA take light for afternoon.
So they will be
bring for night.
Because
make them fit sleep.
You know, say, once light don't day for a particular duration.
People go begin to fear.
They fear,
this one will light don't dey make transformer no go blow. Make transformer no go blow.
NEPA, they'll go they fast for NEPA to take light.
Exactly.
NEPA, God, let them take this light.
Exactly.
So we can use.
And Nigeria na country where we say when it reach for time to cut light, now that time we dey know say we get people wey climb high. Even without ladder, they go climb high.
Better still, if they take light for duration for long period, if not for weeks, they won't come time on it for them to do it.
Now that time
they can't give them, can't they flash their light for 1 or 2 days because they won't come collect P.
Exactly. So it go dey very, very good. Say, make we stop all this. If we talk say Naija that won, I just mouth. Make we begin the show am. Make Nigerians begin to see say yes. So as we see former presido, when lose election, when agree saying lose.
We accept
because
defeat.
he present presido, when win election, when Nigerians say okay, give us change. I saw them and shake hand. What make we begin to see the work of government.
Make it they reflect
for the life of Nigerians.
Exactly.
Make it not be like say we go to look say okay it be like say.
But other leaders will also surround Oga Presido. If are they try imagine say which kind of spirit na get.
Exactly. Especially I go call your name I know the fear.
Who call?
Especially. Wait, make a land.
No, especially.
Wait, make a land.
The person that know if be especially now.
Wait, you know Rivers State.
Especially.
Wait, you know Rivers State.
I know Rivers State. We dey for South.
For South.
Because we know so we get Cross River, we get Rivers State.
Exactly.
Rivers
State.
Rivers.
Where they don't do election. He be like say no work. They do another one. He be like say no work. They won't come do another one of the work where no work two times.
For the same rivers.
For the same rivers.
Yes. Who be the name? What be the name of the person?
What are they try talk?
Which thing?
No wait, me a land. What are they try talk? We say see the example when we say our former president
and this current
our president don't set.
Okay.
You understand?
So make
bigger Nigeria.
Those two people.
You know these people.
But there be show something where I be see something where we say we relate more to that unity. Say okay, we know so we get issues, but let us. But the way they take do their own.
The way when they take shake.
The way they take shake. Say they take.
Exactly. I don't hear you. They shake like that, and the woman would believe. Because we say our former president and this present president, they smile. They shake hands. Exactly. And if one state, if two people not fit settle the problem when they get for ordinary small state, we call the talk of the full Nigeria. If we look say full Nigeria, we know how we take manage them. It can't be two small states.
And we also know within this small state, the casualties where it cause for the state because of say these two people get differences.
Thank you very
much. And you know even they touch them for body because they don't get the attention of the people for mind.
Thank you very much.
It's as simple as that.
So it go good, make two of them, they respect themselves.
Make them respect themselves.
You understand? Make them respect themselves.
One na minister be.
Now.
One na.
Now.
Okay.
You know these people. So
no, you and I know them.
No, you know them more than
you and I know them.
You know them more than I know them.
No, I can't know them.
As a comrade, I only know what I know.
One is on your platform.
You know them in total.
One
so
is on the other platform.
You know them in total. So
you know them in total.
I just know what I know. So it go good, not good emphasize.
Exactly. In all sincerity, we feel just they talk this and just a joke about them, but then make we dey serious about this particular matter. We need to move this country forward. I mean, we need to move this country forward. Going by what Chukwudi talk, if we fit probably fit tap from the experience or probably from the lifestyle of Oga Jona when they hand over. Now it tells say at least that same mindset dey in us. But now just because of say out of wickedness, we just want to say no. That's the way you want to do. It come from your mind. Now you want to. But if we follow the same line, we say this country. If for instance Chukwudi, every Nigerian, our leaders, every leader say okay, for 1 month, we go dey transparent with the country. Chukwudi, if you see the kind of results we have, we go achieve. We
go achieve well, plenty.
A whole lot. I mean, we could just try it now from one day. We just try from one day. Then no as we go take extend them. And so that just pass like that.
Very true. And you see, it go good make as we talk, say we want to make our country they very, very okay. It go good make we show them like we don't talk, make people they see them. We go inside Just Play 2 this morning collect this call from Dora. Dora, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Dora.
We dey hear
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yes, we dey hear you.
Uh,
Continue,
Good
Dora.
morning, Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Nkubi.
Morning. How are you doing today?
We
We
dey
dey
fine.
fine, Madam Dora.
Okay, you are talking about our ex-president, Goodluck Jonathan. That
Continue,
that
continue.
man is a man indeed, and he will remain man indeed for us. You know, Goodluck is a different man totally. And as we can see what he did yesterday, he's really telling us that he needs something good in this country. But my problem one there is that, when this man is shaking President Buhari, why is he always taking his face upside down? This man is a man of peace, good luck, as we can see. And that is why still he even follow him to Villa so that we can see the progress of this country. When Goodluck was in Villa, he was inviting President Buhari, come, when Calabar was taking place. We want to settle this issue, come and help us. He never even pay attention to Goodluck once. But we can see now, Goodluck humble himself and come. That's why that we know, the whole country know that it's Goodluck that won election, whether we like it or not. But because he don't want anything like shedding blood.
Madam Dora.
Madam Dora.
All Buhari.
Madam Dora,
I
we
said that.
appreciate this your particular contribution, but with the result when we say INEC give, we know the person when we say
We
win
win the
election.
election.
We go address some of the points where you don't raise, but we get Oga Bobby in on the wait since. Oga Bobby, thank you for your patience. Welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Now, good morning.
Good morning, Oga
I
Bobby.
love you laugh. Madam Dora, I mean, make me laugh, you know. So,
We dey hear you.
I'll never forget what I put on.
We dey talk about how we fit
If
make
you don't
Nigeria
forget-
one indeed.
Yeah, first of all, to start with those, to make Nigeria to be one, we get to throw away religion. Down at the first thing what we get to do, remove religion from our equation. Because that might be the thing where they divide us, first of all, first. If you remove religion, it could yes. Because it's not my, let it go my religion, something. It don't affect the whole matter first. So, it need this to we need to remove that one. Then, those who take power, they need to cut their salary to the same amount when they pay teachers, civil servant, all are civil servant. They are all civil servant. There is no allocation for security, one thing for them. They are normal human beings. Former Prime Minister of England, he entered metro system with his citizens. All of the days people take picture with them. You know, you understand me now, because if we with confidence say yes, nothing will happen to them. It is here also. We deceive ourselves, Nigerians. We deceive ourselves with many different things. Then we they cover up. Those of them when they steal the money, they go take the money, can't come abroad. Put the money for abroad, then they're not going to invest them into the country. If you even take money of the country, you do road for your village, your area where you live, if you do road for your local government, you do road and do all those things. Who will complain? Yeah? Nobody will complain because but you know they do anything. The road they in bad condition. There's no means of transportation system where they good. Housing, nothing there. So you can't make you yourself when they give the money. How can you enjoy it? You don't leave anything good legacy for grant. You call yourself, they will call you excellency. What kind of excellency you are?
Oga Bobby, na very important. Oga Bobby, na very important questions. Now you don't raise so.
That division of say religion. That be the most biggest problem with the face of that country. Because that's how the people they say they scatter us.
Very true. Thank you
Oga
very
Bobby,
much for
thank
this
you
your
very, very
important
much.
contribution. We get Oga Pat all the way from Germany too. Oga Pat, thank you for your patience. Welcome to As E Dey Hot. We get Oga Pat all the way from Germany too. Oga Pat, thank you for your patience.
Oga Pat, good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi and Nkubi. I greet you now.
We greet you, Pat.
You don't take small, though.
Yes, on a topic this morning concerning waiting former President Goodluck Jonathan talk about Nigerian unity. I mean, what I want to ask, say, is he talking about unity amongst the elites or Nigeria in general? You understand? Because the suffering weighted our country too much. You know? Like I talked to one of my friends from Naija this morning. They complained, say last week he make 70,000 naira from one small job where he do. He said, but this week, 1 naira no remain in pocket. I can't imagine and say, you make 70,000 last week, you don't get 1 naira now. What of people where their minimum wage now 18,000, where they never pay for 6 months? How they won't come take survive? When you know if you account for 70,000 where you make last week. So the bottom line is this: when they talk about Nigeria being one, the people on top, the organs at the top, they should think about the citizens. Everything just they go high. Petrol price up. Everything they on the rise. Are they thinking about these masses? Next thing now, they go think of capital punishment for this crime or that crime. But you go also think about waiting they lead people into crime. I'm not in support of any form of crime. But they have to really think about how to help the masses. Not be only about how to they collect life pension and to they share money among themselves. And as I talk now, most of the things I won't talk, I don't forget them because I did vex. But make una well done. They encourage you now. Courage for the show. They really encourage me.
Thank you very much, Agafat. Thank you very much. Even the little one where you talk, Seth, if we weigh them, you go say carry a whole lot of at least things inside. Make we do it. Make we quickly go for this break. When we enter back, and we will continue with the program as E Dey Hot.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.